Welcome to this overview of the DuraClik wire-to-board sample kit created by Avnet and Molex. The kit includes several variations of the product, plus headers, harnesses, and more than 10 different sample products that support your company's industrial designs. The DuraClik 2mm pitch wire-to-board connectors with terminal retainer options provide stable mating and high PCB retention force for automotive and factory automation applications that require high anti-vibration capability. In wire-to-board applications, failing to ensure connectors are fully mated can lead to end product failure. The DuraClik connector system features a wide latch that provides a clear, audible click, ensuring a secure mate. A simple, efficient solution, the DuraClik Automotive Grade Series features ISL, inertia lock, and up to 100 newtons retention force. As one of the smallest connectors on the market for harsh environments, DuraClik ISL also helps solve space issues and reduces weight concerns. With an ambient temperature of -40 to +125 degrees Celsius, DuraClik wire-to-board connectors maintain performance in high-heat applications like lighting systems. The product meets LV 214 and ES9 1500-03 specifications and is designed to meet the requirements of the US, European, and Chinese automotive markets. Rugged automotive and commercial stock applications can be subject to shock, vibration, or rough handling that can dislodge terminals and cause signal interference. The DuraClik wire-to-board connector system features TPA and ISL, both of which provide high retention force for improved reliability in rugged environments. Available in 2 to 15 circuits in a single row configuration with vertical and right angle orientations, the DuraClik wire-to-board connector system features an enclosed contact design that protects the contact against dust and debris and avoids tangling during harness assembly. For more information on DuraClik and the wide range of connectors that Molex and Avnet provide to prepare for the power demands of tomorrow, visit avnet.com/Molex-Industrial 2023.